In this video, we're going to learn about dissolved oxygen, which is a very influential, popular and important parameter for water quality index. In aquatic ecosystem, oxygen is dissolved in water where its concentration varies constantly depending on factors that influence the input and output of oxygen in water. From where this oxygen comes? Dissolved oxygen gets it into the water by diffusion from the atmosphere or aeration of the water as it tumbles over falls and rapids and as a waste product of photosynthesis. In fresh water, the average concentration of DO is 10 ppm by weight, mind it, by weight, which is 150 times lower than the concentration of oxygen in an equivalent volume of air. DO escapes the water body through air-water interface and through respiration of organisms like fish, decomposers, zooplanktons, etc. Dissolved oxygen depends upon some important factors. Most important factor is temperature. The amount of DO retained in water is influenced by temperature. Oxygen is less soluble in warm water. Warm water also enhances decomposers activity. Higher the decomposers activity, lower will be the concentration of oxygen and higher will be the concentration of carbon dioxide, because respiration gives carbon dioxide. Next important factor is transparency. Transparency affects the extent of light penetration. Suspended particulate matter such as clay, silt, phytoplanktons, etc. makes the water turbid. Consequently, it limits the extent of light penetration and the photosynthetic activity in a significant way. So, this makes less photosynthetic activity and results less DO in water body. Running water such as that of swift moving streams dissolve more oxygen than the still water of pond or lake. Nowadays, the most common question on DO is at which time of a day DO concentration is least. Definitely, summer sunny noon have least DO than any other time of a day in that particular stream or lake. Next question, where the dissolved oxygen is higher, in the moving stream or lake? I think you can encounter the answer. Next, DO is measured by generally Winkler method. It is a technique to measure dissolved oxygen in fresh water. At first, the white precipitation form and the formation formula is Mn2 plus 2OH minus gives MnOH whole 2. Then brown precipitation formation 4MnOH whole 2 plus O2 plus 2H2O gives 4OH whole 3. After adding acid, 2MnOH whole 3 plus 2I minus plus 6H plus I2, this is free I2, plus 6H2O plus 2Mn2 plus. This I2 produced is thus titrated with sodium thiosulfate. Na2H2O3 is the formula of sodium thiosulfate, and therefore the amount of O2 originally present is determined. The titration formula is 2H2O3 2 minus plus I2 plus S4O6 2 minus plus 2I minus. Calculation formula. The formula to calculate the amount of DO will be given as the amount of DO present in water sample mg per liter equals to total volume of Na2H2O3 into normality of sodium thiosulfate into 1000 into equivalent weight of oxygen. What is the equivalent weight of oxygen? 8 whole divided by volume of sample. So this is about dissolved oxygen. That's for now. See you in the next one. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.